Hello guys, I'm here in Nostia. So today we're showcasing a new update. There's to me update here. Capybaras added auto reloading rifle, Mexican carbine, and Merwin revolver. New Biome Paraiso Verde. Third faction for Presidio Locuda. And there's a new walking. But you get new horse there. New house. Wow. New house. I think there's a new horse. Wait. My my alt account is banned. Oh, please circle. Great. Ah, we go there. Wait. Let's see the horse. Circle of victims. Ah, where's the rock, bro? Oh fuck! Uy! Oh, new Wendigo! New Wendigo! No, new Wendigo, bro! New Wendigo! Come on! Yes! Finally update, bro! Here. Come here! Come here, you little big thing! Ali ba? Mm. Mm. Fuck, no! Dagan! Dagan na kaya ako yung... Uy! Skeleton horse! I maybe there's a horse. If you kill him, there's a gibbon horse. Ah, so scary, bro. Come here. Come here. Will you Wendigo? Don't you run. Don't you run. Don't you run. Ah, uy! It's dead. Ah, what, what, what you got? Ah, man.